Welcome, guys. So let's solve is 194. Sorry, 194. Medium difference between highest and lowest K scores. Okay, so you're given a zero index arrays where the nums I represent a score and the I student. And you are also given integer K, and pick a score any K student from array so that the difference between highest and the lowest K scores is minimized. Okay, so a little bit hard to understand. So basically, let me just write a definition. So basically, the idea is that right. So you have, let's say you have n student, and then you need to choose K of them. So let's say this is A1, AN, and you just say you choose B1, BK, which is a subset of let's say this set is S. Okay, or multi-set, because their score can be duplicated. And the goal is to minimize the maximum of this set. Let's say this set is A, max minus minimum A. So basically you choose all B, which has length K, B is subset of K, S. Okay, so naively, you will have what? Because the maximum A and the minimum A do not depend on the order, right? So you will have the S choice of K choice, right? So this will be exponential, especially when K is roughly S over 2. You will get something exponential. Okay, so this is brute force, right? This is the brute force solution. Oh, so for example, if 90, so when case 1 is very easy, right? Case 1 answer must be 0 because you can only choose the same. Okay, case equals to 2, the answer is 2. In this case, you can choose 7 and 9. Okay. Also, my idea is very simple. We just do the sorting. Okay, so the idea is that I just sort it. So you first sort. So sort will cause n log n. Okay, so yeah, well, once you sort it, let's say A1, A2, let's say AN, right? So let's say you choose first one, let's use index 0. Okay, so let's say n minus 1. So if you choose 0, let's say you choose K of them, right? Because you want to minimize, right? So you just choose this. So this will be AK minus 1. So your answer will be, so your answer must be the minimum of this A0 up to AK minus 1, and A1 up to AK, and the A2 up to AK plus 1. Okay, and finally, you will be AN minus 1. This is your final one, right? And the length is K, so be AN minus K. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so you just sort it, and you define a minimum to be the infinity. Okay, and you go through nums minus K plus 1. Remember, this is very important, right? So this is the final one you can choose, and then you compute the difference with I plus K minus 1, which is just this minus this, these two. You can easily see that one of these must be the answer, right? And the final return MI. Nice shot. Okay. Okay, so see you guys next videos.